Bongo turned 25 today. He said, "I'll start investing next year when things settle down." He said that for 10 years. If Bongo had invested just 200 leaves a month at 25, by 65, he'd have 700,000 leaves. That's a real number. Look it up. He waited until 35. Same 200 leaves a month. Same jungle. 271,000. One decision. 10 years of next year. $430,000. Gone. Not because Bongo lost money. Not because the market crashed. Because he waited. Doing nothing cost him $430,000. That $430,000, that's not just money. That's retiring 5 years earlier. That's your kid's education. That's never having to ask your boss for a day off again. Procrastination doesn't feel expensive. It is expensive. The jungle just sends you the bill 30 years later, when it's too late to argue. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Rico out.